No, so we need the teachers, ask your questions, share your challenges, what are the problems, where are the problems coming from? There are some of our schools where the children are sitting on the floor, the teacher's group is leaking. Come on, in fact there's a particular problem now, teacher salary is not increasing. But everything in the market has tripled and quadrupled. So teachers are under pressure.
Building structures, rail lines and bridges cannot be compared to building a man. In a bid to reaffirm the role of teachers in nation building, the House of Assembly candidate of the All Progressives Congress here in Bonny State Constituency holds a meet and greet section with teachers in Bonny local government area. If you're new to our session, try to click the subscribe button. Hit the notification button as well so that you can be informed on when next we bring contents like this. Interestingly, hitting the subscribe button doesn't cost you anything. We're going to jump right in to give you contents of this event.
Take charge over the activities of the and at the end of this program, we will all have a house to go before you.
Over the microphone to Chairman Bonny Branch NUT for his opening remarks.
The theme of this year's World Teachers goes thus: the transformation of education begins with teachers. Education actually.
Good afternoon, once more to all the directors and executives of NUT, teachers, head teachers. Thank you very much. I must start by thanking all of the men seated on this table, because when I woke up and realized that the International Teachers Day was here, I made a call and I said, what can we do today? I don't know how much you think of yourself, but I think highly of you. And that's why I called for this celebration. The society relies much on you for the future of our children. And I want you to think about this, that there is no profession without the teachers. None. I don't know if even if it's vocational youth training, there's somebody to ask, there's a teacher, right? There is a teacher to transform those knowledge and skill and impact. So there is no profession. Is it in nursing? Is it in the medical field? You name it. I don't know if somebody has had to correct. There is no profession. And so we got thinking from you as teachers. As I speak, I just graduated with a single master's degree in apprenticeship development from Nigerian University and an apprenticeship for a PhD. I already have a PhD, but it's more like an honorary PhD. So I want to get the academic one where I have to go to school like all the by visual and physical as time permits me. I know dedication. And I'm sure if you're not passionate about what you're doing, you will not be in your profession. You will have checked out. There are people who tried it because they were not, they need to be their heart. Immediately, they started to walk, started, they all dropped out. To do shut down and shut off and all that. You should have been called, you've been chosen to be where you are. And I really believe that help has come. Because with the launch of that fund, which I will start with my personal fund, I will also have to tell some of you involved in that formation when the time comes. So that we understand how it's going to work, we understand how we can launch it and then build on it and enlarge it to take as much teachers as possible for your development. But even the launch of the teachers' fund, it has to be for those who are our best teachers. And that will encourage every teacher to strive to be the best. I thought somebody would laugh at me. A way of summary. I want to welcome you all to this very simple ceremony. I have a little package for everyone in terms of the gifts. Something that will keep you remembering me in your own little way. I leave you with a promise. I leave you with a promise that I will never forget you. Thank you. In the plan, in my manifesto, in all of the things that I'm planning, I have the teachers in my mind. So we don't have reforms in education without specific details concerning the teacher. I have you now. Just know that you found a friend in me, you found a sister, you found a partner, a very positive collaborator in your progress. God bless you for showing. I love you from my heart. Keep doing what you're doing. God in His infinite grace and mercy will reward you and raise more support and voices for your cause. Yes, this is the part where we need to get feedback, we need to ask questions. How do you plan to get us to the point where you're talking about?
I want to say thank you for this meeting. Like everyone has been saying, I've known you for a very long time too. And I know your good works in the kingdom. And I want to say please continue those good works. So all I can say is that I wish you very well in your endeavors and in particular your aspiration.
The idea to which our sister, the best she wished for herself. The only thing you have to do is to go back to your think tank and reconstruct your brain. Wisdom is what is needed at this time.
I want to ask, if given the opportunity to serve as a member of River State House of Assembly or the constituency, what do you think you can do to make sure that the steps and level is not being deprived by the government who is going to be your boss from 2023? Thank you.
So I want to know, if God be your helper and you get there, what are the things you will put in place to bring about your reformism when it comes to salary?
Thank you for that. It's not a new thing you've been doing. You've honoring people, you've been touching the life of people in the past. So touching the life of teachers is not a new thing you've been doing. It's still doing. So please, man, when you go, education is the best of everything. It's a reflection of society. Today, one of the menace we have in Bonny is not easy, drug abuse. I'm a teacher. I tried some time when I was there once involved in drug abuse menace. I feel very bad. Please, if God give you the chance to go there, look into this area. Every young girl you see today, thanks God. Now that we have a city, there's nothing to there. Thank God. I don't talk about the men. The men, that's not the matter. It's a real no. If you're not the old guy, you're not the man. That is the thing you are creating for this. That's what you have to do about this. Please, when you go there, think about this. About the teachers welfare, they said our reward will help. And our head said we shouldn't talk. That our reward is heaven. We are troops to so. Thank you, man. God bless you.
And all of you take very serious one, especially on the island.
What will you do to ease our problem in rural area? So when you get there, what will you do for us? To help us, to encourage us to continue participating in this work. Thank you.
I'm sure that Honorable Chairman, NT Bonny, has something to say before we hand over to Madam to respond to something.
My question is, those thoughts, if you succeed, what can you do to at least do a structure in terms of potency so that the patient will have a higher percentage? Thank you.
Alright, so at this point, I'm going to hand over the microphone and we'll start to respond to the things that have been raised.
Problem about autism and drug addiction, both for it's a work for all of us. We are all state and local actors to put a call to it. I have a very warm relationship at the moment with the local government chairman. I will also speak to her on the need to have the regulators, the drug agencies and all of that. They are supposed to have the president on it. I am not saying they are not doing, they are working, but we still have much work to be done. And each and every one of us here as parents, that responsibility is on us to say, to see something and say something. One of the things I know and bringing to bear is to have that cordial relationship with the executive. Because if that relationship is not there, most times all your frustrations just end up as bills that are never passed into law. I am pushing for a people-oriented type of governance, where you see things for yourself, not just only what you say. When you see things for yourself and you have statistics and tangible evidence, you should be able to convince the executive why they are not being reformed in the educational sector. Reform become the kind of restructuring you're talking about. Salary increase, timely payment of dues and of reward. People want to come and make a difference. And I, Dabota Unwrapping, I am committed to making that difference with the first example from my constituency. I don't know how we can have true uniformity between the public and the private sector.
The best way to start with is to start with the union. Thank you, and God bless you.
Right? Thank you very much. Madam Dabota has told us what she has for us. I know that we have also shared some of our concerns with her, and she will go back and look at some of these concerns. And I can assure you that God willing, she gets there. these concerns are going to be adequately looked at. Thank you very much. Secretary AUT Bonny Branch to take the vote of thanks. Comrade Laura and Hart, please.
I want to especially appreciate Mrs. Dabota Daniela Jumbo for organizing this session to celebrate Shark Money. It's not a gathering that will forget to visit. All you have said was taking note of it, and we pray God to give the strength to accomplish it. In the spirit of celebrating what Shark did, I say a very big thank you. Thank you so much, the head teachers, the principals, the teachers of the public and private sector. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Abba Father, for this wonderful moment. You alone will see glory. For in Jesus' mighty name, I pray.
Alright, welcome once again to Think Tank. My name again is Moses Waribo, and we are right at the Promise here in Bonny Island with teachers in Bonny local government area. We have the pioneer vice chairman of National Union of Teachers. Welcoming him to the red carpet. Welcome on sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm Comrade Edbert Choflo Joseph. Be alive.
Alright, so I'd like you to tell us one or two qualities your teachers should look out for in the person they want to vote for. Because teachers have been complaining for a long time about the ill treatment from government and different leaders in society. And we're going to be having the elections in a few months from now. What are the qualities teachers should look out for in the person they want to vote for, please?
In fact, this period of time, 2023, we're going to look at personality. We are going to vote individual, not really party. Okay. Because the reason is looking at the entire politicking, what is happening in the politics and the politicking right now. As a teacher, we want to actually vote someone that will come and, you know, taking care of teachers, the teachers' welfare, and we are not voting party, please.
All right, so you're not voting party. Here's a message for teachers out there. You want to vote for quality. You want to vote for persons who have the right empathy to put your interests out there. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Branch chairman of Nigerian Union of Teachers, Bonny Branch, here with us. Welcome on the red carpet, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so I want to find out from you, what do you know about the convener, Hon.Dabota Jumbo?
Okay, I have known her before this time. She's actually, I see her as an Amazon, a woman passionate for education, a woman that is driven to make sure that things are done right, good governance.
All right. So, would you like to tell us who you're going to be voting for in the coming elections?
Well, I can't tell you that, but what I'll let you know is that we want a civil service friendly person, a teacher friendly person, someone that will do the good things to make teachers happy. That's what I can say for now.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. So, how are you feeling today?
Wonderful. First of its kind, I'm so excited.
All right. So you want to tell us about one or two of the challenges teachers are going through?
Yes, one or two. Just poor salary structure, no promotion, and for the public sector, there's no employment anywhere. For those of us in the private sector, we're trying to get in there, but it's an impossible situation.
Wow. So many people, too many teachers wants to move from the private sector to the public sector.
Yeah.
All right. So here's a call for the government to open it for more employment, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so you want to tell us a little about the convener of today's event, Hon.Dabota Jumbo. You know her a little, please?
Yes, I've known her for a very long time. Okay. She's a very good person. She had this program running over years for the widows, the single parents, and all that for the youth. She's someone who has been driven with so much passion for people. And so, if it is for me, she's a good to go.
Wow, she's good to go.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us on the red carpet.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, welcome to the red carpet, madam. We have the convener of today's event, Hon.Dabota Jumbo, on the red carpet with us. Welcome, ma.
Thank you very much.
All right, so I'd like you to tell us a summary of what your message was to the teachers.
Well, this was a meet and greet, all put together by my very good self and my wonderful team. The whole idea was to celebrate the teachers. The International Teachers Day was on the 5th of October. Nothing much would have happened that day because of the planning and all of that. So it happened today. And it was in solidarity with what they have been doing, what they are capable of doing, and what they have been giving to society. You agree with me that the teachers have a lot to do with our building of our characters. They are the true heroes of the society. And honestly, from my heart, I thought this was my own way of saying thank you to the teachers, especially in my constituency, Bonny Kingdom, I would say. And also to encourage them to keep doing what they're doing despite their various challenges. The meeting also offered me an opportunity to hear from the horse's mouth, like we'll say. issues that have to do with low wages, inconsistency in salary increment, delayed promotion, issues that have to do with difficulty in navigating the rural areas. I mean, the concerns are great. And like I said to them, I'm here to be a voice. I'm here to escalate their problems. Not only to the government, if they're not doing as much as they should, but as individuals, we can collaborate with the private sector. We can collaborate with well-meaning individuals to bring help and development to our persons, and that's my position. That's what this event was all about today.
All right, you are the candidate of the All Progressives Congress running for Rivers State House of Assembly here in Bonny State Constituency, and we'd like you to tell us a little about your antecedents or a little experiences you've got that you think qualifies you enough to run for this position.
Okay, well, I'm a second-time candidate. The first time it didn't happen because my party had some internal differences, and so with the collaboration with the people outside who were also trying to frustrate the process, we didn't make it to the ballot. We were taken out of the ballot. So I'm a second-time candidate, and I'll tell people what has changed. Well, more exposures. I've been in the private sector for as much as 19 years, a seasoned administrator. I'll say I have been an advocate for community development, served my constituency at the community level. I'm currently the deputy woman leader for the community. I am in touch and at base with what the issues are in the LGA, and I am driving a people-oriented type of leadership in this dispensation where there will be no room for gaps, running with the mandate of the people and getting to know what the needs assessments are, so you can bring on board constituency projects that are really and truly impactful and that are needed by the persons. And what else? What is there to offer? I'm very educated. We're talking about Teachers Day and education. Very educated. Just finished with a second master's degree and all of that. I'm a people's person, people-related person. And for me, with the position I'm going for, just like it should for everybody out there, the public service is bringing service delivery to the people. And that is what I've equipped myself to do in this time.
All right. I wish you the best in your race for the House of Assembly. Thank you so much for joining us on the red carpet.